there! Welcome to Patty's Kitchen. We're going to bake a wonderful gluten-free recipe that I happen to like and my husband loves. It is a gluten-free applesauce and carrot muffin. Very healthy, very filling, great for breakfast, great for snack, and we're going to start. I use 2 cups of a gluten-free flour mix, and it's 1-to-1 ratio. It's delicious. It's very easy. It always bakes up well for me. I don't have any trouble. Now we're going to add a cup and a half of gluten-free oatmeal. Easy to find in the cereal section. And then we're going to have a half a teaspoon of salt, and this is sea salt, along with, well, let me tell you a secret. I didn't have any baking soda. It was like I went to my cupboard, I didn't have any baking soda, I wanted to bake this today. So I Googled, and guess what? 3 teaspoons of baking powder will do the same effect as 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So, a little secret there for you. And I preheated the oven to 350, and that's telling me it's already ready. So here we go. Then I have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'm going to go ahead and mix those dry ingredients first so we can kind of add all the wet stuff next. And then I add a half a cup of organic applesauce. And I like the little bit chunky. I just like the texture better. This also gives it a lot of moisture. Now, some recipes will call for honey or syrup. I don't use any honey or syrup. I just use the half a cup of applesauce. It works really well. We're going to add 1 cup of ghee butter. Now, ghee butter is different than clarified butter. This is actually purified. I have a friend who's a wonderful nutritionist and taught me about the benefits of ghee butter. So ghee butter is purified more than just regular clarified butter, and that there's no butter fat. So this is heart healthy, it's cancer fighting. The other benefits of ghee butter is it's stable at room temperature. It actually can stay in your cupboard for a whole year. And as you can see, it comes right out as already softened. So there's none of this taking your butter and trying to put it in the microwave and have it make your microwave all messy. So we're going to go ahead and start to mix that up. Now we're going to add 3 large organic eggs, and I'm just going to go ahead and whip those puppies up. Whip, 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 whip. All right. So we'll go ahead and do 1 cup of grated carrots. Now we're going to mix all this up really good. I went ahead and added a splash of water just to make it a little bit more moist with the consistency. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of organic vanilla, just for a little dash of flavor. Mix, mix, mix. Now we're just going to fill up the muffin pan, 1/2 to 3/4. We're going to put it in the oven for 25 minutes, and we'll be good. Okay, here we go. Put them in the oven. 350 for 25 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 25 minutes. Alexa's my friend.
25 minutes, starting now.
Okay, I can smell that they are ready. Oh my goodness, look at how fabulous those look. Nice and brown right on the top. They rise well. Everything looks great. Can't wait for them to cool off and have a bite of muffin with a cup of nice warm tea on a cold winter day.
Action.
It grabs all those free radicals and says, "Get on out of here." No, sorry. Muffin tin, muffin can, muffin can, muffin pan. All right. Okay, makeup. Oh my God, that's so funny. Okay, wait. So what we do is we go ahead and we get, stop, I don't know how much I use. Thank you so much for joining me while we make these wonderful applesauce carrot gluten-free muffins. Click here for our YouTube channel and subscribe. And don't forget to click here and look for more wonderful recipes. Thanks so much.